Hey, good morning, everybody. American in Thailand. Saturday, February the 19th. It was a rainy night last night, all night long. Very soggy here at the job site. They did finish another side of the roof, I believe, yesterday. I don't think they're going to get anything done here. It is just, quite wet outside and inside. A couple days we're going to Udon Thani. We're going to make some major purchases. Kitchen appliances, microwave, refrigerator, washer, dryer, things like that. A little bit of tile for the backsplash in the kitchen, other little minor things. We're going to spend 2 fun-filled days there. Being shopaholics, that's going to be great fun. So hopefully we're going to have a little bit more sunshine after this weekend. Rain is forecasted all weekend. Slow going for building a house, but that is Mother Nature. Yeah, I have so much mud on my feet right now. That is, yeah, good times. Anyway, see you soon. Thank you.